Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Essex Fun, and today we are going to be showing you all of my fidgets and mini brands. I have lots of mini brands and also lots of fidgets, so let's get started. So let's start off with puppets. So I have this, I bought this with my own money. Has great pops. And it's a hedgehog. Its eye popped out. Okay. I have this. My teacher gave this to me. I'm homeschooled. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's my sister. And now we have this.
Maybe I found a fidget. Wait, heel.
Oh. And then this. We have that mini puppet. This mini puppet. It's fine. And then this mini puppet. Okay. Second, let's go with the random. An infinity cube. Watch, guys. I got a trick. So you do this, kind of bend it, and then you put your fingers right here, and then you. It feels so weird. All right. We have a snake. Those snakes. We have a bracelet right here. Oh, she's in the background. Okay, we have a bracelet. Pop-up bracelet has, the colors are pink, white, green, and blue. Now are you okay? Shush. Okay, we have this. This is kind of weird. Oh, we have this butterfly mini poppet. This mini poppet. We have this. It's kind of like a brush, but me and my sister use it. We do this. Yeah, so I count it as a fidget, or we count it as a fidget. Here, it's not a 3D puppet. It's a purse. You could attach like something right here. Now we have, I'm saving the best for us. We have this. This was like my first ever puppet. We have this I got from my mom's store. Make sure to go check out her store. It's in Mesa. And her store is called Lucky Duck Deals. Make sure to go there. Follow the arrows and you'll see her store. Okay. We have this. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's my mom and dad's show. We have this, Pegasus. Then the last. Oh my god. This. Its eyes are fading. But look. Me and my friend think that there's shaving cream, glue, and water. Like a little bit of water in here. It's so satisfying. Yes. Okay. Now, I am going to get all of my mini brands. So, be right back.
Oh. Wow. Woo! Okay. Cute. Leave out.
Whoa, chiller.
Okay, I'm back. So, I'm gonna. Alright, guys, tell me in the comments, was Lainey there or not? Tell me in the comments down below. You'll get pinned. Okay, so.
Okay, I won. Yes!
Alright, I dropped one. Sorry, guys.
That's the second time I've won like that. He goes for the bot and then I win.
Alright, so I have these little toy bags for, it says yacht, enemy, whatever that says, but no, it says toy mini brands. Now we have this. What is it? I wanna stop me. We have a mini brand, a mini brand. That's what I say. Okay, now I'm gonna show you all the ones in the box. So we have these action figures. So, can someone in the comments please tell me what this is? Okay, now we have Captain America. Alright, this monster truck. This from, yeah, Tinkerbell. This. And lastly, this. You know, sometimes I open these, and then, yeah. But don't open the boxes, because there's just paper inside. Okay, we got these lips. 2 microphones. Wait. JoJo Siwa microphone and JoJo Siwa doll. JoJo Siwa doll. Dora doll and Dora. What? I know. It's fine. Okay. We got this pony. This. A car. And lastly, slime. Yes. So now I'm gonna what should I do, Lainey?
Show you all your squishmallows.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Wait, I can get a squishmallow.
Okay.
Squishmallow here.
Get all of them.
Okay, but I'll just have to
Throw them over
find
here.
them.
Oh my, Lainey, don't do that. I'm serious.
Okay.
Elaine, just throw them over here.
Okay.
You could have gave me a warning.
Okay.
Is that all of them?
Yeah. I
Oh.
can find more. Wait, I see them
All right, go get more.
all. Wait, I see.
Holy smokes! Help! Help!
Okay.
No one! Yes, I do!
Yeah, by the way, these were all my fidgets. Well,
I just hit you hard.
yeah, all those.
Blast off.
Don't let them see it. Okay, go like this.
That's the joke.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna sponsor this. I'm waiting for Lainey to throw them all my Squishmallows. So, sponsor today is Fall Guys New Space Season. I think it came out yesterday. My brother Jackson has been playing it for so long. You should definitely go play it if you like Fall Guys. It's now released on every platform except for, or Fall Guys is now free on every platform except for iPhone, Samsung phone, which I'm on right now, and iPad and tablets.
Who just started playing your ass?
But if you want Fall Guys on tablets and phones, download Rumble, guys. It's just like it, just different kind of characters and different kind of things. Yep, done with a sponsor. Let me check. Okay, so that's good for now.
Okay.
Okay, so first
Oh, man, when he needs
we have
help.
this I got for my birthday.
Get him. Yes.
Didn't I have 5
Flip him
questions?
over.
Oh, I can't find it.
Great job.
What about my carrot? Go see if you can find my carrot.
It's behind you in blind. Yeah, you're
We
not.
have this.
They're not.
Elaine, it's not out there. It's in our room. Probably check under our bed.
Okay.
You might see. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, okay. You okay? Good thing you do gymnastics. All right.
Yes.
Ugh.
Oh, wait. Yes. I chucked him in
Whoa.
the shredder. Okay.
This.
See you later.
It's huge. Sure. Yeah. It's under there.
That.
Whoa! Did you find it? Yay! My favorite baby! What about my fifth? What's my fifth? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh.
What's my fifth?
Wait.
Wait.
I know.
What?
So since I have 2, and I have the egg, and you have the chicken, so I
The
have to find the chicken.
Yeah. Okay, we have this little thing. It's the size of my hand and almost the size of my face.
Find it.
Elaine, it's not in there.
I think you got
It's in our room. Yeah. It's so tiny. Yeah. Oh, and this is its blanket.
So Ruby, so do you have to find like the shape?
Yeah, that shape. Alright,
Whoa.
my little carrot baby.
Carrots in the ocean.
Yeah.
Oh wait, this is my boat for Halloween.
Alright guys, soon I'll have Halloween fidgets. We'll be doing a tour of all of my Halloween fidgets. I'm gonna buy them soon. Once my card gets attached to this. So,
Hey baby. Well, I can't find it, but I
Fine.
can keep finding. Well, baby, I
Alright.
can't find all of them. Then you can show them your righties.
I'm gonna show them my gymnastics trick.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Alright.
Let's show you.
Please don't mind our messy place. It's just messy by all the big things.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright, but
Wait.
Lainey here is gonna hold the camera.
Okay. Okay.
So kind of hold it like this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Lainey. I'm gonna hold it. Actually, you can barely see it, so I'm just gonna set it up somewhere.
I know. Leave it back.
All right. Do you see me? No.
Baby.
What? No. Sorry. Sorry, guys.